Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is a vlog today that I'm doing. I am ready for the gym, January 1. I know, very traditional. I'm really tired from last night. I don't know if you could tell. I'm not putting on my contacts. I'm too tired. I did do my eyebrows a little bit, but no makeup for me. I'm out of breath. That's how you know I need to go to the gym and get more in shape so I could talk and not be out of breath when I'm rushing. So yeah, I'm going to get breakfast, my New Year's Day breakfast, and I'm going to walk in the park for exercise today. And I'm not sure what else I have on my agenda, but it's probably chilling, cleaning and chilling, most likely. But yeah, I will show you some clips from that. And this is what I'm wearing, a white tee and some black pants with sneakers. So yeah, and this hat, which is real basic today. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, I am at the park. It is windy, so hopefully you can hear me. About to do some walking, some brisk walking for about an hour, and then I'll go back home. Yeah, I usually don't walk, but it's good to get out in nature and walk. I heard for the new year I might do this once a week. We'll see how it goes. So it's quite sunny. It's cold, not like super cold. I have on this hoodie, hood jacket. So yeah, let's see if I can run up these steps real quick. Okay. I made it, y'all. Yeah. Let me go sit down now. Hopefully. But this is the park. I know it's not like beautiful because it's winter and the trees are not in bloom. But yeah, there's steps down there. I'm gonna use those. Not really steps, but bigger steps. So yeah, it's a trail. So I forgot to tell y'all what I ate for breakfast. I was supposed to vlog it. I was so hungry. Honestly, I forgot. So let me tell you, I had some bad stuff, quote unquote bad stuff. Well, eggs, that's not bad. Potatoes, it's a vegetable, but it's also starch, but I ate all of them. And then bacon. Bacon's good for you, I don't care no one says. Just in moderation. And yeah, water and some apple juice. I really like apple juice. I'm not really a fan of orange as much, but a small little apple juice. Apple juice has a lot of sugar, and I'm trying to stay away from sugar, but you know, like a small little apple juice. So yeah, that's what I had. Sorry I didn't vlog it. Can talk or take a picture at least, right? I might have a picture actually. I'll check it out. But yep, hopefully you guys can hear me. It's windy, but I did eat. So, yep, kind of burn off some calories right now. And I like it out here. It's nice. So I'm kind of out of breath already. That's how you know you out of shape, when you walk in and you out of breath. But overall, it's only been about 10 minutes, something like that. And sorry, I'm chewing like a cow. Yeah, chew like a cow. It's just enjoyable to walk. So let's keep going. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the walk, or the trail, and it's not as windy so I can talk to you guys, but yeah, so my glasses are tinted, or I forgot what it's called, but you know, like, so they're like probably sunglasses right now. You probably can't see my expression, but I'm pretty tired, but not like winded. This was a cute trail. I'm definitely gonna do this more when I don't want to go to the gym, because I'm not a gym brat yet. Should I say? I don't want to say never, but yeah. So I'm going to go back to my car, and when I get home, I'm definitely gonna stretch, because I didn't stretch before and my legs hurt. So yeah. Thanks for watching this part of my vlog, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.